Hey, welcome back to the Blue Collar Bartender. I'm Chris. Today, we're gonna make a gimlet. Now, a gimlet was first invented by a naval surgeon named Sir Thomas Gimlet, and he added gin to a lime cordial gave to sailors to help prevent scurvy. Let's build a cocktail. We're gonna use 2 ounces of gin. We're using a Blue Coat gin. Blue Coat is American dried gin. Very heavy notes of citrus. Pairs very well for the drink. 2 ounces into a shaker tin or a Boston shaker. Next, we're using a lime cordial. This is our homemade cordial. Takes a little time. If you don't have time at home, you can go out and buy Rose's lime juice. Saves time. The quality of the drink gets a little better with the homemade, but this will work just as good. We're gonna put 3/4 of an ounce, just like that, into the tin. Very simple drink, 2 ingredients. Let's add ice. About 3/4 of the way up on ice. Take your shaker pint, give it a shake. There we go. Next step, Hawthorne strainer, strain over into a chilled coupe. Now, by chilling your glass, which will make your drink stay colder for the duration of your cocktail. We're gonna double strain, like so. Perfect. Next step is a garnish. We're gonna garnish with a nice, sexy lime wheel. Just like that. And folks, there you have it, a gimlet. Let's give it a shot. Cheers. Very refreshing, very sweet, great for a summer day, and it will help you from preventing scurvy. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram at the Blue Collar Bartender. Thanks for viewing again. Bye.
Well, drink my whiskey, swam slow, but I can't swim a bloody stroke. I got me a wife in every port. The handsome gals is what I court with my false heart and flattering tongue. I coach them all, both old and young. I coach them all, but married none. So long.